here. This one that says customize, that's very nice, but the truth is we need to create a new theme because this is an upgradable theme and we can't edit this theme directly. And instead of trying to store a bunch of CSS somewhere, we're going to just create a child theme. So in order to create a child theme, we basically just create a new folder. We're going to call it, usually they name it after I call it the corner child. And that just lets me know that that's the child theme. And then inside of the child theme, there's going to be two files. So I'm just going to create a new file. One of them is going to be a style.css, and one of them is going, it's not necessary. We don't need a new folder right now. The other one's going to be functions. And so here's the code for the child theme. You put this inside the CSS file, so you just go into the CSS file right here, open it up, put this code in there. We're going to rename it and call it the corner folder child theme. We'll call it like custom theme. And that's who wrote it, which is just us. There'll be superheroes. Alright, your name is in there. Once again, we can change this. Template is going to be whatever the name is of the other theme that we're using. In this case, the name is superhero. So, theme name is superhero by automatic. No, we don't need any of these tags right here. This is that's the name of the child. The tags right here are really not necessary. There we go. All right. So now we need to put the code inside. This is basically okay. That's basically what we need in there. That's basically what we need in there. We go take a look at the home page. A lot of times we'll go take a picture of the website. Here it is. Here's a picture of the website. This just needs to go into that folder, which, where is that folder? It's the corner. Name the screenshot. And now we could probably change the theme over. Hopefully this will work because there it is. See it?
Yeah.
There it is. Activated it. Let's go visit and make sure it works. Website still works. We've now activated a child theme. Because of this, we're now able to write styles in here. And one of the first styles I want to write is, I was sitting here working on the page and I was like, wow, this font is kind of small. And as I was working on the font, I go over to computed, I look at the font size, I'm like, font size? What's going on here? Where's this font size? It's like 100%, 100%. So found this under main. So I just take this code right here. I only want font size and line height, but I also care about margin. And I'm gonna do this, and this is gonna be like, I'll write some notes in here. I do have a way, I think I have a autocomplete. Anyway, so change the body font and header spacing. So if I change that to 10 and change the font size to 0.9, change this to 1.7 EM. Then this hopefully will change the font sizes. It did.
Nice.
And here we go. And we're like, okay, the page is called menu, and then this is right here. This is what gluten-free is going on. This photo's here, but it's all kind of confusing. So this needs to be thought about a little bit. But now moving forward, here's my chart down here. What can be built? Well, there's a lot I can do. I noticed that this height up here is really weird, and I want a much shorter bar. So if you ask me, somewhere between here and here, I want a much shorter bar. Oh, look at this masthead thing right here. That's what I'm talking about. So it's like, how about like 8? Masthead 8. Go over to here. I'll put my comments in here. And then of course, always when you write your comments, you want to initial, you want to put your email address in there. I'm going to put a date. What day is it today?
The 6th, 2/6/18.
So that's basically a proper comment. Usually there's something else that belongs in there, but I always want to make sure every comment has these components. And if our programmers are writing stuff and they don't have this, they need to make sure it's on there.
Mm-hmm.